In this video, I am going to be extending the length of a concrete footing that I poured a little too low. And the biggest problem with this is that you're going to end up with a cold joint. And when I say that, you can see that the concrete is rough. When I poured I didn't take a trowel and finish the top of the concrete footing, and I didn't make it smooth. So the simple fact that it's rough is going to help to create a better bond than if it was smooth. So when I say that I'm going to end up with a cold joint here, I should say that I could end up with a cold joint. And a cold joint is just basically a crack in the concrete that would allow water in. And of course, that could be a problem for the fence post. Now, I stated earlier in a video that I made today that the footing is on the side of a hill, and it's probably not going to be a big problem with the cold joint. And here, of course, I'm just adding some soil to provide some type of support for the cardboard form. And I already made a couple videos on this, but the reason why I'm putting the concrete on is to protect the wood post. And it's not like this is going to get a lot of water. And this post is pressure treated, but I don't think it's ground rated lumber. So you're not really going to get a lot of extra mileage out of this post. And how do I know? Because I've already had to replace a couple of them around my property. So again, just filling some concrete in there. And as I raise the concrete, as the concrete gets higher, I can just simply add more soil if I think I need to provide more support. And you can see here I didn't even tear the the cardboard. I didn't even rip it. I just took it and bent it around the corner there on the far right. There's no need to. I don't have to. You know, on the other side, the concrete is flowing into a little area that it's not too big, I should say, and I'm filling up this side of the metal a little higher than I am on the other side also, and it doesn't need to be much higher than this.